హలో గైస్, వెల్కమ్ టు అగ్రికల్చర్ ట్యుటోరియల్స్. ఈరోజు నేను కాటన్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అప్ టు జూన్ జూలై 2023 కవరింగ్ అండర్ దిస్ వీడియో. తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ కాటన్ yield is per acre 2.8 quintals. Present 18.13 lakh hectares are there in Telangana state. Almost 18.78 lakh hectares Telangana state cotton area. Third rank in acreage in India after Maharashtra, Gujarat and Telangana. Third rank. In productivity, Karnataka is the highest productivity. Telangana state total 135.63 lakh acres up to June July 2023 statistics. Telangana state gross cropped area once or multiple time a year once a single crop, that is cotton or any other crop, which is called as gross cropped area. The gross cropped area of cotton is 203 lakh acres. In India 2021-22 123.7 lakh hectares. In India, the cotton is 39th rank. Last year is 38th rank, now is 39th rank. 130.61 lakh hectares are in Indian cotton acreage. Advance provisional estimates 22-23. Total cotton crop is cultivated under 67% rain-fed, 33% are irrigated. Mainly cotton is cultivated in rain-fed. Last year productivity is 428 kgs per hectare. Present provisional estimates is 447 kgs per hectare. This is the cotton crop scenario in India and as well as Telangana level. For split plot, degrees of error as shown as here in video. RAB, there are two main treatments, subplot treatments. Subplot treatments B minus 1 minus B minus 1, main plot treatment 1 minus 1 and subplot treatment minus 1 equal to whole plot treatment replication minus 1 into subplot treatment replication minus 1. This is the degrees of freedom of error. Thanking you friends, have a nice day. Don't unsubscribe my channel. Please share and subscribe my channel and share to your dear friends who are watching this video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.